Friends, welcome to Code Smarts. In this video we will learn what is the control flow statement in Angular and what is the directives. As I am on the official site of Angular documentation, you can see there is @if else condition is there. Similarly, as we do in other programming language, there is control statement in like C# or Java. So similarly we have in Angular template we can define control statement. Okay, you can see there it's block label. In particular block, if condition is true then it will execute, otherwise if condition false then it will go to second line. Okay, so you can see as a we are using this, as we can assign it in the variable. Okay, so similarly go to the for control, and here we are using track item.id. track it basically used to improve the performance of our application. Suppose we have 100 list of items and we are updating one particular item, so it will just render that one particular item, it will not render all the list, so it will improve the performance of our application. See here it is already given why track is used. And similarly we have other variable as well, count, index, first, last, even and odd. You can see here it is given the example, index and event. So here we are using index to display the index number. Okay, here is tracking by the name, and we have the empty block as well. Suppose if there is no items in the list, it will show our empty block. Okay, and then we have the switch block. Similarly, just switch case we have in other programming language. Okay, now let's come to the VS Code. Here you see I have defined the else template. Okay, if is logged in true. Okay, here on click I am changing the is logged in value true or false. If I click on that particular button, then it will change to true or false. If it is true, then it will show welcome back user. If it's false, then it will show please log in to continue. Since my application is already running, so let me show you on the UI. Here if you see, if I click on toggle login state, so it has been false, so it will go saying please login continue. If it's true, then it's going welcome back user. Okay, so if it's the use case of else. Similarly, if I come to the for loop, just like in the official documentation, items of fruits, track item, we are tracking the item to optimize the performance. And since it's a very small array, fruits, you can see there is only 3 fruits, so there is no performance issue here. Not performance issue, we can remove the track item as well. So anyway, it's a best practice. Okay, here on the UI you see we are showing apple, banana and orange. Okay. If I come to switch case, and here you see we are showing the status. In Angular we call it string interpolation. Okay, we call it string interpolation. We are showing the value of the variable through the double curly braces. Okay, if you see in the UI, here it's showing status is active. It's active only because in our TypeScript file we have declared its active status. Here you see we have declared the variable, and it's the type of the variable. Active means it's type casting operator, type operator. Okay, or operator you can say. So it can be active, pending, unknown, and we have defined we have initialized with the active value, so that's why it's showing active. Okay. Suppose if I am changing it to pending, so it will show pending. Okay, so if I come to here you say it's showing active, and once it has been saved, and it's building the application. Now you can see it will be active to pending status. Here it's showing status is pending. Okay, and if I come to the attribute directive, here we are using ng class. So ng class is basically used to add the dynamic classes, means based on the condition we add the CSS. Just like if each success is true, then we are adding this class. If it's false, then we will show this class. It's just like a ternary operator in other programming language. Okay, and here we are showing the interpolation, string interpolation. We are showing this message. If I go to the UI part, you just see here, if I toggle it, is failure message, is success message. So it's very straightforward, nothing any complex thing. And if I come to the style attribute, here we used to write inline styling. Okay, so we are just changing the font size of this sentence p tag. If you see, if I increase the font size, we have declared this function in our component ts file. Here you see we are increasing by +2, and if I click on it, so it will increase the font size. So it's basically the inline styling. We use this ng style directive. Okay, now the last one is ng model. It's a form directive because it's in the forms module. Here you can see I have imported the common module and forms module. So common module will unlock the directives like ng class, ng style, and forms module will unlock our ng model directive. So ng model is basically used to two-way data binding. Here you see we are adding the value to the input, and the same value we are showing on the UI through string interpolation. If I go to the UI, you just see here is Rakesh, and if I type here Yadav, so it's showing the Rakesh Yadav. You see, if I am changing the value in the input, then same value changing here. So it's called the two-way data binding. Okay, so in this video our motive was to understand the control flow statement along with the directives, and in the next video we will learn input output function, how the parent child component communicate to each other. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like and subscribe, and we will see in next video. Thank you.